Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add dual color heading widget in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin, and then in search plugin write Royal Elementor add-ons and templates. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see Royal add-ons, so click on it. Now we are in widget section, and then you see multiple widgets, and then you see dual color heading. So this widget is already enabled. Now go to Elementor page and refresh the page. Now scroll down. So this is our container. So we are going to add dual color heading, and then you see search widget. So right here, and then you see dual color heading widget. So drag and drop here. So this is Royal add-on. Now widget is added, and then on left side you see content style advanced, and then you see setting HTML tag H2. So you can select according to requirement. Select layout icon top default. So you can set according to requirement, and then you see alignment dual color heading. Show description if you want, you can enable or disable. Show icon if you want, you can enable or disable icon. Now you see dual color heading. Now scroll up, you see style, so click on it, and then you see background type, text color, border color. So you can change color scheme according to requirement. Now you see, so this is primary heading, and then you see secondary heading, so click on it. So you can change color scheme according to requirement like this, and then you see typography for secondary heading and primary heading, so click on it. So you can set font family, size, weight, transform, style, decoration. Now click on content again. So you can do setting according to requirement, and then click on update. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.